Hi, I'm Lily from Sharp Shots, and today's top tips are all about photographing winter landscapes. As you can see, we're at the top of a hill, we've got a beautiful landscape to photograph, got some big blue skies, so let's focus in on capturing them. First things first, I want you to think about your camera settings. Try to find your landscape setting, looks like some mountains on the top of your dial, or maybe in your scene settings. Or, if you'd like to go more manual, look for your aperture priority setting, which is either A or AV, and use a bigger number, so a bigger F number, such as F16, F22, and that will allow us to have a really big depth of field to capture all that amazing detail in your landscape. So after you found the camera setting, the next top tip is how you hold your camera. When you're taking your big view, do you hold your camera like this, left to right? Or do you hold it up and down? It's completely up to you. It changes the way your photograph looks, and I would encourage you to take your view both ways. The last thing that I want you to think about is where you place that horizon. So where the ground meets the sky, I want you to think about either placing that at the bottom of your frame or the top of your frame. And that will again allow you to have different subject matter in your photograph. So whether you have lots and lots of sky and a very slim amount of ground, or the opposite, lots and lots of hills and trees and detail and a very slim amount of sky. Take both, see what you like. So have a go yourself, post it on Instagram so we can see it and maybe tag it as Winter Landscapes, and also remember to tag us and we'll be love to give you some feedback. Thanks, see you soon. But it makes it nice and crisp. No, it doesn't. Okay, it's quite foggy. Make sure you post your